There's nothing out here. There's nobody up here except me. What are you making? What is this?
His name is Tupa.
Taking a quick break. There's nothing out here. I am on the outskirts of Karzok, and that's Tso Moriri Lake. It's getting dark, so I gotta get going before it gets completely dark. This is Tso Moriri. At 7:15 p.m. just checked into a cottage or bungalow. There was a long ride. Towards the end it got really rough. Road was unpaved for, I don't know, like 20 or 30 kilometers. Very rough. This is a very small town, as you can see, and this is the summertime. I don't know how they survive here during winter time. Good morning. It's 7:51 in the village of Karzok. That is Tso Moriri, also known as Lake Moriri. Karzok is a very small town or village. There's really not much in this village. Some small houses and some homestays and guest houses. The lake is very big and beautiful, and you can see snow-capped mountains around it. Okay, I stayed at Yomchen Cottage. Pretty good stay. As far as hot water is concerned, they only have hot water in the morning, and they give you the hot water in a bucket. So I mixed hot water with some cold water and used a small bucket to take a shower. This bike, Royal Enfield Himalayan, held up quite well on some rough terrains. I'm going to check out the lake view, which is about 2 kilometers away. I am at the Tso Moriri viewpoint, which is about 2 kilometers away from the village of Karzok. Very nice view up here. There's nobody up here except me. so far. You can see the village of Karzok right there, about 2 kilometers away. It was a little tough to get up here because the road had some sand. It was quite slippery. I made it without falling. Came to a different viewpoint. Spectacular view, spectacular view. Stop briefly to take a quick break and also take a video of the surrounding. Big open field, lovely view. Some nomads with a herd of sheep. This view is just incredible. Oh, great view, great view. I stopped again to take in the view of the lake and the surrounding. What a gorgeous view. Wow. Oh, what a gorgeous view. What a gorgeous view. You have menu? Menu?
No.
What are you making? What is this?
His name is Tupa.
Tupa.
Tupa, vegetable tupa.
Yes.
Do you get gas here or from the city? Or gas in the camp? Ah, you have to bring that, okay. And that's for noodle.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Very nice, very nice. How much is tupa? One. How much for one? You don't know the price?
Yes, yes.
How much?
150.
150? 150?
Yeah.
Oh. You sell drink here? Drink?
Yes.
What do you have?
Coffee, lemon tea. Coffee.
Coffee, lemon tea.
Lemon tea. Or hot lemon ginger honey.
Ah, okay.
Or Tibetan tea.
Ooh, you know I gotta try Tibetan tea.
Okay.
Because I'm in Tibetan village. I gotta try Tibetan tea. Okay? One Tibetan tea, please.
Okay.
This is Tibetan tea. It's my first time trying a Tibetan tea. Let me see what it tastes like. Okay, so this tea has a unique taste that I've never had before. It's hard to describe. It doesn't taste like typical tea. I think the lady added some milk of some sort. So it's not sweet, it's not bitter. It's almost like drinking milk tea, but not sweet. This is a typical Tibetan noodle soup called a thukpa. Nice, nice. Not spicy at all. I'm going to add some chili. The gentleman was eating chow mein. Hello. Hello. This is a little store with drinks. And guess what? They have Korean ramen. Wow. I'm surprised to see Korean ramen. Let me see what else they have. That's the Tibetan flag. I am wearing a jacket with Tibetan flag patch. I am near village of Nurnes. I stopped briefly to take a quick break and videotape the scenery. Just an incredible scenery with different colors. Very nice. I stopped briefly to take in the scenery. I'm 40 kilometers from Upsi and 54 kilometers from Karu. Decided to take a quick break. So pretty here with the flowers and these trees. I am all alone on this stretch of the road. Very nice, very pretty, scenic. I'm in the town of Upsi. That way is the road to Tso Moriri, and that way is to Manali. From here to Leh is 47 kilometers. Stop here to have some snack or light dinner before I go back to Leh. I had a very good ride, Weather was very good, as you can see. Weather is perfect. It wasn't too hot or cold. It was very good weather. I am back in Leh. Got back from the motorcycle ride safely from Tso Moriri back to Leh. I'm glad to be back. Took a shower and I'm ready for some cold beer.